TVF 2010, Jigsaw, director Christopher Elizalde, take 2.
Oh shit! Is this really happening?
Yeah, it actually is. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true.
No, damn, it's hard to believe. A horror character coming to life? I'm sure as hell I ain't the only one in the department reacting like this.
Of course, come on now. Jigsaw exists.
That scene, it was like something straight out of a movie, literally sliced in half with a puzzle line scan.
This is bullshit. Where were any of the department's special agents last night?
How the hell would I know that? Wait, the movie Jigsaw, it had like a series of murders done through connectivity, right?
Wow.
Like,
since we don't live in a movie, we have no way of proving that until someone else gets scanned.
So it seems we gotta investigate last night's victim, find out if he's connected to anybody important.
That and just cherish our lives, because who knows if we'll be next.
Cherish our lives, no doubt. Wait, isn't that the motto in the films? Cherish your life?
Yeah, but it's also a common saying. Relax, we could solve this case, right?
I know, I'm sorry. I'm just paranoid. This real life Jigsaw head. It could be anyone. It could. And we have no clue who it is.
Whatever choice we make, this Jigsaw will want us to play by his or her game.
Oh my god, that's such a fucking cliche. So whatever choice we make, it's critical, right?
Right.
What the hell is the purpose of this Jigsaw to even exist anyway?
Who knows? It might even involve rehabilitation.
Well, with what happened to that person last night, the games have just begun.
I know shit seems clear as day. Wow, I'm gotta get going now. I gotta get ready to crack another case.
What do you mean, get ready? Did you get notified by the chief?
Yeah.
Well, be careful out there.
You as well. Remember, your next move is critical. Live or die, make your choice.
Wait, what?